This is a screen recording from FlashBack. It's proprietary. You need the FlashBack player, free to view it or export it to MP4. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the player. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic FBR file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. An FBR file is a video recording created by FlashBack Screen Recording software. It captures the user's desktop activity, including mouse movements, keyboard input, and audio. FBR files are often used for creating tutorials, demonstrations, and presentations. They can be edited and exported to various video formats for sharing and distribution. FBR files typically use a proprietary video compression format optimized for screen content. They may contain metadata such as recording time, application windows, and user annotations. The file structure is designed for efficient playback and editing within the FlashBack software environment. The format supports lossless and lossy compression options. Guaranteed access to FBR files is typically achieved using Blueberry FlashBack from Blueberry software. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows generally plays videos with compatible players, provided the format is supported. We'll start by checking the obvious candidates. Right-click your FBR file and select Open With. If Blueberry FlashBack is installed, use that. If not, choose another program. A simple test sequence will get results. When your FBR file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Because the FBR format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, use FlashBack Player. Open the file using FlashBack Player, the required application for the screen recording. Next, check version. Ensure your FlashBack Player version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to MP4 AVI. Use the player's export function to save the video as a standard MP4 or AVI file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at FileMagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.